Ever tried cleaning something outside and the hose suddenly decides to behave like a sleepy snake? Yeah, same here. One minute you're ready to wash your car, the next minute you're wrestling with a tangled hose that has zero motivation. So I went searching for something simpler, and that's when I came across the Seese Cordless Pressure Washer. And trust me, if you like tools that actually make life easier instead of more complicated, you might want to stick around for this one. First thing you notice about the Seese washer is the cordless design. No outlet hunting, no dragging cables across the yard, just charge the battery, attach the bottle, and you're ready to go. It's honestly one of those gadgets that feels surprisingly convenient the moment you start using it. Instead of connecting it to a long garden hose, this washer uses a portable bottle system. Basically, you fill the bottle with water, attach it to the washer, and boom. You've got a compact pressure washer you can carry around. It's especially useful for quick jobs like rinsing your car, cleaning muddy bikes, watering plants, or even washing outdoor furniture. Now let's talk about the power. This model is rated at 500 psi water pressure, but for everyday cleaning tasks, it's usually pretty practical. Think dust, dirt, light mud, and general outdoor grime. For small home jobs, it does the trick without blasting everything into another dimension. Another thing I personally like is how lightweight and portable it feels. Traditional pressure washers can feel like you're dragging a mini engine around the yard. This one is more like carrying a power tool, simple, quick, and easy to store. Of course, because it's portable and bottle powered, it's designed for more convenience cleaning rather than heavy duty pressure washing. So if your goal is quick maintenance cleaning instead of deep industrial cleaning, that's where it shines. And honestly, sometimes the best tools are the ones that remove the hassle. But the real question is, would you actually use a portable pressure washer like this, or do you prefer the traditional heavy duty ones? And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.